Hello viewers, welcome to Newsnet. Pachirongwa chatinokupakurai nhau dzemandorokwati dzinoitika munyika yedu yeZimbabwe dzimwe nyika dziri matsemana akatikomberedza. Well, today we just want to talk about the Phala saga, which is now heavily affecting the president of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa, because the main opposition leaders in South Africa, the likes of DA leader Gideon Hugh Lewis and Julius Malema, they are now demanding the president's resignation, citing the court's affirmation of the need for accountability. Well, we all believe that in democratic countries, nobody is above the law, and everybody has the right. He has the right, is the freedom of speech without facing any harm or facing any torture or abductions. Well, ndofunga tese tinoona kuti kunyika dzisina democracy, nobody has the right to question the president or else to question the insiders or the top officials vane mahigh ranks just because unogona kutofremerwa nhau wotoenda mujere ine wopiwa mutongo unorwadza just because ndiwe unenge uchinzi wave kuda kuonesa kana wave kuda kungwarisa whilst citizens achisika accountability vachida clarification pazvinhu zvavanonyatsa kuona kuti pamaitiro awa maybe there's something fishy. But tiri kuona kuti that's why the South African president Cyril Ramaphosa is in hot soup right now because of this Phala saga which happened in 2020, because this burglary scandal involves the theft of a large undisclosed amount of US dollars estimated around 4 million but roughly 60 million South African rand by the former intelligence agent Arthur Fraser from Ramaphosa's private game farm in Limpopo. Can you imagine? This huge amount was found in the president as a private game farm in Limpopo. That's why Julius Malema is saying, no, you are corrupt. That's why the SA leader, that's why the Action SA leader, Yemin Mashaba, is saying the Constitutional Court, Phala ruling is a serial embarrassment to our nation, adding that Cyril Ramaphosa is undeserving of being in high office. He found hiding foreign currency in couches and mattresses. Why are they saying this? They are saying this because varikuti ma activities asingatarisirwi to the president, because vaninga vave kuona as if he doesn't care about the citizen. He doesn't care about the upgrading of the economy yenyika. He doesn't give the citizens at heart. He doesn't give South Africa at heart. Kana atita ma activities anoonekwa or else asingatarisirwi nema qualities a president. That's why the DA leader is saying we will not shield President Cyril Ramaphosa in the Phala matter. He said this, Mushremi Konge akange at address at the Provincial Congress in Durban, KwaZulu-Natal, inside politics. Asi tiri kuona kuti ari kutsigirwa nevanhu vakawanda because tiri kuona kuti vari kuti ndizvo zviri kukonzera kuti South Africa inge iri pairi nhasi is because of the corruption, is because he is not even deserving to be in the position where he is right now. Well, we all know and we believe that in democratic countries, nobody is above the law. No, everybody has the freedom of speech, but kunyika dzine dictatorship, nobody has the audacity to question up the president. You go in jail just because they will just frame a story inokukonzera kuti unge uri mukati for so many years, but unenge uchisika accountability. Ndofunga chese tinokuona kuti there are so many things we are related to this Phala saga, because the main reason is because the president of South Africa, Cyril Ramaphosa, is failing to declare kuti mari yakawanika inside the coaches, under the mattresses yakabva kupi. That's why vave kutaura kuti no, you must resign because you are corrupt. You are not a qualified president. Kana uri corrupt like this. Why are you doing this? Some weeks back, we see that Cyril Ramaphosa was in Zimbabwe, but he fled from South Africa to Zimbabwe in an army helicopter. Zvakaita kuti vanhu veruzhinji vati what is the main purpose of him to fly from South Africa to Zimbabwe? And it was not public. Zvakangozooneka vatu vavese, but they were in President Mnangagwa's farm in Kwekwe. Uko kwakaita kuti vanhu veruzhinji vati maybe there's something fit behind there, because there was a business philanthropist who is in question right now. Takaona some time back Zaki yakange ichida kusika accountability. They just take Wikinochivayo to court vachida kuziva kuti mari ya ari kupa vanhu motikari iri kubva kupi. Where is the main source of income inogenerator mari yose iyo kunge achisplasha this amount of money yokutengera everybody of his choice motikari muZimbabwe? Because pakaita zvekare the Gwanda scandal yemasolar project yakange, or I think it's an ongoing issue again. Tikuona kuti those activities are in a democratic country. Vanokuita brought to book. They will take you to court, because vanenge vachida kuziva kuti haasiri ma-state resources here ari kumisuswa, haasiri here ma-state funds ari kubatwa chibharo, because vanoti ndizvo zviri kulead to the economic hardships. Ndozvo zviri kuita kuti munyika musave nema-job creations, kusava ne the development of infrastructure, because nyika, mari yenyika, upfumi hwenyika hunoramba huchiondongwa nevanhu vashoma vanenge vachidya ivo vachiguta, whilst the masses are crying because of hunger, vachichema because of kushawa mabasa. So that's why Cyril Ramaphosa right now is in hot soup. And the sad part, or the sad thing, is this: they are now facing him to resign in office, because Julius Malema is saying that the reason why you are keeping on doing this is because une vanhu vari padhuze newe vasiri kuda kukuudza chokwadi, vari kukufurira kuti no matter you are going against the constitution of the country, vanongokuudza. They keeps on telling you that you are right whilst you are wrong, and that's where you get it wrong, because the constitution is meant to forever guide us. So ndoda kuti mundiudze mega kuti now the Phala saga munoiona sei uye zvichapera sei. Is Cyril Ramaphosa is going to resign, or maybe is going to find another means of explaining kuti no, mari idzi dzakafamba sei? How is he going to defend himself? Because the main opposition leader in South Africa, Gideon Lewis, is saying we will not shoot the president Cyril Ramaphosa in the Phala matter, because he is undeserving of being in high office, and it's a huge embarrassment to our nation. So ndoda kuti mundiudze mega zvamunofunga, your own opinions in the comment section. Ngatisanganei muchirongwa chinotevera.